All right, today we got our exercise machine. No instructions needed. It's all posted and pasted in the actual seat itself. You could use this for multiple exercises. So we're gonna put it together. Now on the side of it, you have a couple angles, degrees, all right, to bring it up. And when you push the button, you lock in place. If you want to do the hardest one, go to the top one, all right? That's the hardest one. But we're gonna put them intermediate. I'm gonna leave it there. And it's adjustable. It tells you right here, 0 to 3. So we're gonna start with the sit-ups on this. And this is a sit-up assistant. So you can sit on the chair itself, put your hands together or no hands. And all you gotta do is go back. But if it's too light, then all you gotta do is raise it up higher. We have it to the max. And then this will actually help people like me, a little heavy, and need some assistance. You can start your sit-ups. And as you progress, you're gonna see yourself bringing your levels down to 0. So this is a good progression to even monitor yourself how many you can do this. If you could do 3 sets of 10 a day, it could help you out throughout the day. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can do your cross hands, hands in the head, or people like to do this, but it's not very healthy. It stretches your back, your neck. So it's better just to touch your head on the side. Down 2, and this is hard, right? This is actually difficult. And I'm in level 3 right now.